After a long wait, finally Nasdaq 100 has breached 13,000 levels, and I have been giving it a shout for long now, since 11,800 levels. They do not consider this as bearish, do not consider this as bearish, do not consider this as bearish. And that is what is the target. It has achieved 13,000 levels. Likewise, US 32 has been seen trading close to 32,950 levels and 900 levels. So now what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Dow Jones and Nasdaq? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First, we'll look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Also join my Telegram channel, which keeps you updated with the daily analysis and the latest updates. The links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. And yes, do press the bell icon, do like, share, subscribe. Let's start here. See, on the hourly charts, you can see trading with divergence. On the hourly chart, see the 20, 50, 100 period moving average are diverging, indicating bullishness there. And you can find that, see, slight retracement, now the breakout. And if you see, the selling levels are only at 12,950, where you can expect 12,920, 12,900. Remember, 12,900 is going to be a very good support level for Nasdaq 100 today. You have to wait for it to break past 12,900 levels in order to confirm for little bearishness, and then we can see it trading further bearish from there. So 12,950 is the level where you can sell. Till then, do not sell Nasdaq 100. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is flat. The RSI is overbought. Remember, it is trading overbought on the near-term time frames, and hence a little retracement cannot be denied. Now, when I say little retracement, certainly, see, it is trading with far divergence from the 20, 50, 100 period moving average, which also brings an opportunity that it can try to hit at least 20 or 50 period moving average, which is very far below at 12,800, 12,880 levels. So, and if you look at, see, this candle started from 12,950, 12,960 zone. Also, if you look at the channel here, see, this is a bullish channel in which it is trying to trade the higher highs, higher lows. And certainly once it trades beyond 13,020, you can expect 13,060, 13,100 and 13,200. These are going to be the next resistance level. So only sell entry is below 12,950, but then you have to be watchful of 12,920, 12,900, 12,880. And then this zone is going to play a very important role at 12,850 level. See, and yes, it can try to attempt and achieve these levels once before looking forward to a bounce back. So 20 period moving average may play an important role. Stochastic trading overbought, MACD trading with little divergence, and it is still bullish, it is still in green. The RSI trading overbought, and hence a little drop cannot be denied, and that is why we can see a red candle right now. But till 12,950, do not sell. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts too, see, first of all, the previous candle has a little wick and a flat bottom. Now it is trying to retrace. So on the hourly and 2-hour charts means we can see a slight red candles, and then there could be a possibility of a reversal. Yes, the support levels are here. Yes, it is trading in this bullish channel, and hence the sell levels we have already seen, it stays the same. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is trading overbought here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, look at the 4-hour charts. Most importantly, after a consolidation, this is the first breakout candle which it took it about 13,000 levels. And see, we can see follow-up subsequent greener candles which can keep it further in the bullish zone. On the upside, I'll be looking forward to see, you can buy at 13,020 itself, but then expect 13,040, 13,060 as a good resistance. Till 13,060 you have to be cautious, and then 13,100 and 13,200 is the target. We can see a very good bullish move beyond 13,100 levels. But see, the stochastic here too is overbought, and hence one cannot deny a slight retracement. But look at the MACD, this is crossed over, this is trading with divergence, this is trading bullish, this is looking up. And this also we had seen in our daily analysis multiple times. At the bottom, it is looking upwards. I'll show you on the daily charts the same pattern which is indicating bullishness. The RSI back to overbought levels. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily chart. See, one green candle, second green candle, trading flat here. And with a flat bottom, it has started its day and now trying to look upwards. Now see, on the daily charts, don't you think that we had said, I had told you very clear that this is the bull run, this is a consolidation flag, and now this is the breakout. And see, That is what has happened with the support at 12,500. It is still keeping itself in this bullish channel. I hope you all profited there too. The stochastic is back to overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and this also I have been telling since long. Those who follow me daily should have observed this. The RSI is back to overbought levels, and hence you have to be cautious of it also. So considering this, you can buy at 13,020 and sell at 12,950 till 12,950. Do not think of selling Nasdaq 100. Below that also you should be cautious of 12,930, 12,900, and then if it breaks below 12,900, then we may see 12,850, 800. Remember, 800 is a very good support. Now this was the resistance earlier. Now it is going to play a very important role as a very good support. Yes, it is trying to retrace a bit. However, do not consider this as bearish till it stays about 12,800 levels. Take your trades accordingly. On the upside, about 13,060, it is going to fly high for 100 and 200 levels. Trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 20th of April, 10th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals. Definitely, you can profit. Now, let's start. You can see US30 specifically on the hourly chart. See, there was a little resistance at these levels, 32,920 levels. Since then retraced and a reversal, and now it has breached the previous resistance. Now it is looking forward to a good rise. Possibly once it stays above 32,950, you can stay long. Now also if you look at the rise, retracement, rise, and it is back to this zone. So beyond 32,950, see, I'll be looking forward to 33,000 levels at least for once. So yes, you can stay long about 32,950, but see, the hourly charts is overbought and hence a little retracement cannot be denied. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is trading near to the highs there. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, see, all trading with divergence, all trading bullish. And see, yesterday I told you 32,700 is going to play an important role. It has precisely reversed from the same levels. Now see, the 20 period moving average, the exponential moving average situated at around the same 32,770, 780 levels, which is going to play an important role. See, still diverging with indicating bullishness. Yes, there could be retracement, and hence these levels at 32, 780, 800 are again going to play an important role. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD trading with very little divergence. It is still bullish. RSI is trading near to the highs, trading near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see, the reversal is complete. You can see symmetrical move. The next move will decide which direction it takes. A breakout is certainly going to take it further highs. Now see, this is almost identically symmetrical. Previously this was the symmetry, now this is the symmetry. So yes, the move is done. I look forward to a breakout here. Also, if you look at, see, this was the consolidation candle or the step through candle. After that first bullish candle, there is a wick here. So possibly we can see increasing candle size from here, which can bring increasing bullishness for 33,100 and beyond levels. The stochastic is back to overbought level. MACD trading with little divergence, trading bullish. And see, most of the indicators are now back to overbought levels, and hence we have to remain extremely cautious. If not today, possibly by next week, there could be little retracement. RSI trading comfortable there. It has dropped from the overbought zone. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, see, I told you it has consolidated strong. When the base is strong, the building can be, you can create a taller building if the base is strong. That is what has happened, and that is why there is a rally here. Yes, also if you see the 4-hour chart, there is a long tail and a reversal, and here you can find increasing body size. Increasing body size also brings opportunity for increasing bullishness. Here's the resistance here at 32,950. You can buy here and expect it to break past 33,000, 33,100 levels. Also, if you look at, see, the channel there, this is the bullish channel in which it is trading. Hence 33,100, 32,800 on the downside are going to play a very important role. A stochastic looking up, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking up showing strength. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart to similar observation I told several times, and see, I told you that it is consolidated here. With that as support, we can see a rise from 32,000 to 33,000, almost 1,000 points are done, and it is back to its next resistance level. Also, it appears it has breached past this bearish zone, and hence looking forward to further stronger move there. there is a possibility of 33,500 levels, which I'll be looking forward to. First, it has to stay above 33,100 zone. Beyond that, 33,500, and in fact, we may see it hitting 34,000 levels if it continues to trade bullish. The stock stick is back to overbought levels. The MACD is crossed over, trading bullish, divergent, and looking upwards, and it is still got the strength out there. The RSI is also trying to look upwards and show a little strength. Considering this, you can buy at 32,950. Expect 33,100, 33,200 levels. In fact, beyond that, sky is the limit. On the upside, 33,400, 500 levels will get achieved. On the downside, you can sell here at 32,850 levels, and below 32,850, you can still expect 32,780 as a very good support. 32,750 and then 32,700. Till 32,700, do not consider this as bearish. If it breaks below 32,700, more bearishness may prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch and signal channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.